Want to make some extra cash without breaking a sweat? In this video, we dive into one of the best survey sites out there that lets you earn money just by sharing your opinions. It's super simple. Just answer a few surveys and watch the rewards roll in. Whether you're looking to save up for something special or just want some pocket money, this is an easy way to boost your income from the comfort of your couch. So grab a snack, kick back, and find out how you can start making money today. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our awesome money-making tips. We've got online earning opportunities for everyone around the world. Drop your country in the comments and we'll hook you up with videos tailored just for your region. Now, let's get started. Looking to make some extra money? Check out SurveyBods, the UK's top survey community where you can earn cash online. It's super simple. Just answer surveys and get rewarded. SurveyBods makes it easy to turn your thoughts into cash. By simply answering surveys on topics you care about, you can earn rewards that add up quickly. With a user-friendly platform and a variety of surveys available, engaging with brands has never been more rewarding. No hassle, just quick payouts, regular surveys, and awesome rewards. On SurveyBods, you earn points for every survey you take. Most surveys only take about 5 to 20 minutes to finish, and the points you get match the time spent. You can cash in your points through a bank transfer or snag some Amazon vouchers. Totally up to you. Plus, they throw in tickets for a monthly prize draw when you do certain activities, giving you extra chances to score more points and cool giveaways. Ready to dive in? Become a bod today. Sign up now and grab your £1.50 bonus. Imagine getting paid for your thoughts while relaxing at home or during your commute. Join a community of savvy individuals who have unlocked the power of their opinions and transformed their free time into extra income. Your insights matter, and companies are ready to compensate you for them. Don't miss out. Sign up for SurveyBods today and start earning rewards with every survey you complete. Your opinion is valuable. Make it count. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. If you found the video valuable, please support us by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.